Hi everyone. Today let's prepare potato pancake for babies. Especially this can be served as a finger food. So first let's see what the ingredients are. We need boiled potato. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized potatoes, an egg, dates, few dates, and wheat flour, thick coconut milk, and here's pepper powder, salt and butter. First here is boiled potatoes and I'm going to mash them with small pieces of dates. You can mash with a spoon, wooden spoon, and here I add the egg, and now I'm going to grind this mixture and add some salt to taste. Now grind this. So add some wheat flour to this mixture, and this is very easy. You can prepare pancakes from this mixture. The texture is like this. Very easy, and you can prepare this. You should cook both sides. So it looks very yummy, and try this also. And thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe.